Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Cuisinart Convection bread maker. It makes up to a 2-pound loaf. It's really great for consumers who want to make fresh homemade bread but are kind of afraid of the whole process of doing it. We make it really easy for you. First and foremost, you have 3 bread sizes. So you can make a 1 pound, 1.5 pound, or 2-pound loaf. You have the option of making light, medium, or dark crusts. And because I mentioned it's convection, it actually circulates the air around the bread, which makes for a better finished crust. It has 16 programmable options, and I want to call out a couple of them. First and foremost are our exclusive options, which are low carb and gluten-free, because a lot of people are following a gluten-free diet. And you also have everything from white bread to wheat bread to rapid French or Italian, and also even artisan doughs. You have the mix it in option when you want to add extra ingredients like cheese or tomatoes or who knows, nuts if you're going to make a nut bread. The lid is removable if you wish, and also the bread pan comes out just by pulling up. And in here we have our paddle, which is also removable, and you'll have the option during the process of removing that so that your bread doesn't have a hole in the bottom when it's finished. So let's start making some bread. Today we're going to make beer bread, and it's going to be a lot of fun. It's really easy to do. So first let's start with our ingredients. This is our water. Put that in the bottom. Next is the beer, and we just put it right in, bottom also. Next is the salt, sugar, and then the flour. I'm going to do this by using a scoop because I don't want to make a mess. So just put that in. The one thing I want to mention is that it's important to put the ingredients in the way our IB states it, because it's important to get a really perfect finished bread when you're done. And the last ingredient is the yeast. We're going to add that to the top. We're going to close the lid, and now we're going to program it. It's really simple. First, we're going to do our loaf size. We just press the button here, and we're going to go to 1.5. And today we're going to pick our crust size. I'm going to do medium, so you just move the button once and it goes to medium. And then we're going to do menu. And what we're going to do today is we're going to do a white. So we're just going to move this until it gets to number 1. So there you go, 1. And then all we do is hit the start button. And it's going to start making bread. Look at this beautiful beer bread. It'll go great with any type of grilled meat, especially sausages and mustard. And it was so easy to do. You really don't have to be a chef in the kitchen to make beautiful homemade bread every day with the Cuisinart Convection bread maker.
Zojirushi's flagship bread maker is the new Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus, a fully automatic appliance geared towards making anyone an expert home baker. The bread maker features 14 pre-programmed course settings that alter the kneading, rising, and baking functions based on the type of bread to be made, ranging from classic white and European breads to health-conscious options like whole wheat, rapid whole wheat, multigrain, gluten-free, salt-free, sugar-free, and vegan. In addition to loaves, the flexible Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus bread maker makes dough, sourdough starter, cake, and jam. Along with the pre-programmed courses, the machine comes with a special homemade course, which allows you to input your own knead, rise, and bake times in 3 available memory settings. This bread maker also gives you the option to choose a light, medium, or dark crust color, and features an additional heating element in the lid, which promotes even baking and browning. Like all of Zojirushi's 2-pound bread makers, the Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus uses a removable non-stick coated baking pan to hold all ingredients, and dual kneading blades to thoroughly mix ingredients for superior results. Both the pan and blades are easy to clean and are BPA-free. The simplified LCD control panel and convenient key code make it easy to choose the course setting and set the optional 13-hour delay timer. Accessories include a full-color recipe book with 50 delicious recipes, a liquid measuring cup, nested measuring cups for dry ingredients, and a measuring spoon.
Congratulations on the purchase of your Breville custom loaf. Here's everything in the box. You've got your registration card, so be sure to go to breville.com to register your custom loaf, as well as the instruction booklet, which has handy recipes in the back. So keep that in the kitchen. It comes with a non-stick bread pan that can make 1 pound loaves right up to 2.5 pound family size loaves. And you have your fixed paddle, and this is just for jam, as well as the Breville innovation, which is the collapsible paddle. And this will leave less of a baked hole in the base of the bread. So to assemble, just align the straight edge of the paddle with the straight edge inside the bread pan, and then just drop it down. And then when you're putting ingredients in, make sure this paddle is in the upright position. So to put it in the bread pan, just align the wing nut with the drive mechanism. Just drop the bread pan in. It might take some jostling, but it definitely clicks into place. Now to clean your Breville custom loaf, don't put anything in the dishwasher, just half fill your bread pan with some warm soapy water and let it stand for about 10 to 20 minutes, and this will make the paddle a lot easier to take out. And you can also take off the lid to thoroughly clean your automatic fruit and nut dispenser. Just put it in some warm soapy water. Enjoy your custom loaf and be sure to register your product at breville.com.
Everybody loves homemade bread, but we don't have time to make it. So why not let Cuisinart do it for you? The Cuisinart automatic bread maker has a compact footprint without sacrificing functionality. It offers a variety of loaf sizes as well as 3 crust options to choose. Try light, medium, or dark crust and select your loaf size as 1, 1.5, or 2 pounds. With 12 pre-programmed menu options, you're sure to find the perfect freshly baked bread recipes you've been wanting to try. And for a quick and easy recipe option, flip through the included recipe guide to find everything from gluten-free and artisan bread creations to jams and sauce recipes. The automatic bread maker is specifically designed for maximum efficiency with minimal usage of your countertop. The viewing window and interior light make it easy to watch your bread spring to life without escaping valuable baking heat by lifting the lid. The removable kneading paddle and bread pan make cleanup a snap. The bread maker features an easy-to-read LED display, delivers functions including bake only, and has a 13-hour delay start, so your bread is perfectly timed to serve. Wake up or come home to oven-hot bakery-fresh artisan breads right in your own kitchen with the Cuisinart Compact Automatic Bread Maker.